Please do not use flash when you take photographs as it disturbs the animals. Please check the settings of your camera before using.